Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by turning off the accessibility contrast overlay so the normal display returns. On Windows, open Settings, Ease of Access, then High Contrast and switch it off. You can also press Alt plus Left Shift plus Print Screen for a quick toggle. Once done, sign out or restart any apps that still look altered, because many programs cache colors. This step removes system-level contrast inversion and restores standard color rendering for most applications. Next, you refine contrast at the display and GPU level to remove residual harshness. Go to Display Settings and run color calibration. Reduce contrast or adjust gamma slightly so midtones reappear. Then open your GPU control panel, Intel, NVIDIA, or AMD, and set contrast, brightness, and gamma to moderate values, or choose sRGB as the color profile. Once you apply those changes, make sure to restart graphic-heavy apps. This ensures the new color pipeline is used and prevents reversion to high-contrast appearance. Finally, finish by eliminating software or driver causes that keep contrast stuck. Update or reinstall your display drivers and reboot. Driver corruption often forces extreme contrast. Check browser extensions or reader modes that inject contrast filters and disable them. If problems continue, test with another monitor or create a new user account to isolate system versus profile-level settings. Troubleshooting tip: if changes don't stick, boot into safe mode and reset display settings. This reveals whether a third-party app is forcing contrast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.